If you're looking for a way to add some Japanese flavor to your Christmas spread, look no further than these delicious Japanese style roasted chicken leg quarters with a yuzu infused teriyaki style glaze. First, dry the surface of your chicken leg quarters with kitchen paper. Flip them over and then cut along the center bone on both sides and open them out. You will also need to cut through the joint in the middle to separate it. These have actually already been cut because this is a popular way to prepare leg quarters in Japan, so unfortunately I can show you the process this time. Next, we're going to stab the flesh side with a fork all over. This will not only tenderize the meat but also help it absorb the marinade, which is what we're going to make next. Place the chicken in a large Ziploc bag and then put that in a bowl to keep it upright. Season it with a few pinches of salt and pepper, then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, then the zest and juice of 1 whole yuzu. Yuzu actually have very large seeds and not much juice compared to other citrus fruits, so if you can't get fresh yuzu where you live, I recommend substituting it with about 1 tablespoon of bottled yuzu juice and some orange zest for a similar flavor profile. Massage the bag to help combine the marinade ingredients and fully coat the chicken. Then seal the bag and rest it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, an hour if you have time. Avoid marinating it for too long as this can actually make the flavor too intense. Once it's ready, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 392 Fahrenheit. Cover your oven tray with baking paper and remove the chicken leg quarters from the marinade and place them on the tray with the skin side facing up. Put those on the lower or middle shelf for 18 minutes. While we wait, we're going to make a glaze with the leftover marinade. Pour it into a small saucepan and add half tablespoon of sugar. Heat on medium low and stir it continuously until it becomes a bit glossy and slightly thickened. Hitting it like this will make it brush more evenly onto the chicken later. After 18 minutes have passed, take the chicken out of the oven and brush it with glaze. You might have heard about the unique tradition in Japan where people enjoy KFC as a part of their Christmas celebrations. It's true, lots of families actually book a bucket for Christmas. But another popular dish during the holiday season is roasted chicken made with leg quarters. However, this isn't the usual roast chicken, it's glazed with soy sauce, giving it a unique Japanese teriyaki-like flavor profile. To brush up on this Christmas chicken and infuse it with an even more festive spirit, I've incorporated yuzu into the recipe. The fragrant citrus adds a fresh zesty note that complements the savory soy glaze beautifully, creating a dish that's truly the best of the best. The soy sauce and sugar burn quite quickly, so place it back in the oven on the top shelf for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're going to brush it once more with the glaze. As you can see, this is the perfect amount for 2 large chicken leg quarters. And put it back in the oven for another minute. And that's it, delicious Japanese style roasted chicken leg quarters with a festive yuzu infused teriyaki glaze. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to check out the written recipe, you can find it on my blog, the link is on the screen. And if you're interested in Japanese style Christmas cake recipe, check out the video on the screen too. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy holiday.